Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video installing my 5x5 lace closure glueless unit. Right here, my client, you see me here, I'm just braiding her hair. As you can see, she's 100% all natural. And I'm actually taking the parting because we haven't decided if she wanted to do she wanted the unit completely sewed down, so that's why you see me braiding the hair this way. So I have a part in the middle, straight down the middle, and then I'm gonna braid an ankle braid on one side and the ankle braid on the other side. And then once I get done with that, and I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, so now I'm just tightening up her braids. There's a little edge control on her edges all around, and now I'm brushing them in. And then after I do that, you're going to see me oil her scalp, which I do with all my clients. I'm using the Dubois oil, and it's really good for the scalp. And after I finish that, then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to let her put on the unit. I'll probably install the clip if they let me, the clip of the unit. It's a custom made unit, 5x5 lace closure glueless unit that I have on my website at hairsewpretti.com. Right now it's on sale for $207.13. So yeah, here is the clip right here. So this is the unit, a custom made unit. It's a 5x5 closure. Laces are already bleached the knots and everything. And I'm just showing you the inside of it here. And then I'm just gonna put the wig on. And then we're gonna proceed from there. Okay, and here I just installed the clip when she was putting it on too, just to show you guys how easy it is just to put the unit on. And it is, again, glueless. No glue will be added to this unit. What I'm going to do is mold it down in the front with the frontal illusion to make people think it's a frontal. And yeah, we're going to go from there. Okay, so right here I'm showing you the unit where you can part it on either side, a deep side part on the left side or right side, and you also can part it in the middle. With that closure being a 5x5, it goes from one eyebrow to the other eyebrow, the arch of your eyebrow, and you can wear it in a half up, half down style as well, which is really cute. And okay, so right here I'm just cutting her baby hairs. Like I said before, she wanted the frontal look, so that's what we're going for. Trimming the baby hairs, and we're gonna add the rubber balm on it, wrap it down, and then we're gonna go ahead and proceed into the styling. But look, you guys can see, as of right here, like she's turned right there, it actually blends in. But if you see me turn it outwards, for some reason, it's like a white cast on it, but I guarantee you it blends with her skin. Watch till the end, you'll see. But yeah, I'll come back to you once I mold her down and get ready to start the curling process. Okay, so right here I'm tinting the lace now. I'm using the Taylor Crowns tint spray. I actually used the dark lace, the dark brown, and the cafe for her. I had to mix the two in order to get the correct shade for her. So that's what I did. And then after I do that, tint it. And as you can see, I spray it on top. It's just the best blend for me. After I tint the lace with that, I'm going to go ahead and mold her baby hairs down. And then I'm going to tie it down, and then we're going to proceed. Okay, right here I am just pressing out the front to give it a sharp, crisp look. I have the one that goes in the stove, but they also have some ones you can actually plug in the wall. I like the stove better. It's like the old school, the way you get that sleek look when you get your hair pressed. I also went ahead and did her part off camera, so therefore I wanted to get that look and make sure it looked exactly how I pictured it once I finished pressing it out, and which it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch. Yeah, right there when you seen her look on the camera, she didn't know that we were recording. That's why she was in the camera. And I thought that was so funny. She was talking about how cute the part looks already in the hair. It's not even finished. Okay, so right here I'm just giving y'all a little clip of my Sew Pretti lashes I have on my website at hairsewpretti.com. They're mink lashes, and they're really fluffy and light, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at them so you can see how pretty they are on my client. Okay, right here now I'm starting to curl the unit. Again, it is the Jasmine 20-inch unit. It's on my website at hairsewpretti.com. It's on sale right now for $207.13. I'm gonna curl all over, and once I curl it, I'm pin curling it as I go, just to let the heat set and pin curl, which will give it not a really tight curl, but the actual curl that I'm going for, because I did pin curl it. You'll also see me using my 2-inch curlers as well once I get to the front, because it gives it for me, it just gives it a better flow from the big curls to the smaller curls. You'll see what I'm talking about once I get there. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about right here. See how I pin curl it? I just pin curl it, roll it up, and curl and put a pin in it. I'm gonna do 2 more like that, and then that small section in the front, That's where I'm going to use my big barrel curls at in the front. And I'm not going to pin curl those. I'm just going to let them hang. And that's on that side and in the front area where the deep side bang going to be at. Okay, so right here where I'm actually using my curlers at, I roll. Now this part I roll up under because I want my curls to fall a certain way. And see, I'm going to pin curl it just like that. And then I'm going to come to the side and I'm going to roll it towards the back. Always curve away from the face. And then I'm going to pin curl that one as well. And then the bang area will not be pin curled. I will curl it, but it will not be pin curl. I'll just fold it back because I don't want a tight bang curl. I want it more flowy than tight. Okay, right here in this area is where the big barrel curls came in, right in this bang area right here. Okay, so right here is my, I done took the pin curls out. But y'all, look at this hair, it's so gorgeous. This is my silky straight hair. It's on my website at hairsewpretti.com. And this is what I mean when I said I pin curl it up, because I didn't want really tight curls, but I wanted curls that's gonna last. And that's why I pin curled it like that. But look how pretty it is. It is so gorgeous. I have to show you guys this because I love my bundles. I love them. They're so pretty. Okay, so right here I'm just tidying up everything. I used a little edge control just for the baby hairs. But again, I'm tidying up everything. This is pretty much fixing to be the end of the video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at hair_sew_pretti. And follow me on Facebook at hairsewpretti. 3 separate words. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't log off just yet. Keep watching till the end so you can see the blend in the sunlight at the very end. Okay? Alright, bye. And right there, I'm just showing you that it is glueless. No glue is on the lace whatsoever. That's why I put that comb under there. I'm going to lift it a little bit there. Bring it back down. Glueless unit. No glue.